Inside one of America's largest factories, an incredible transformation happens every day. Over 50 tons of cassava becomes premium flour through a process most people never see.
Welcome inside the factory. Today we're showing you the complete journey from raw root to finished product.
Let's see how modern technology transforms nature's bounty into flour. The process begins at the loading dock, where trucks arrive throughout the day carrying fresh cassava. Each truck unloads 20 tons of cassava in minutes. That's over 40,000 pounds of roots. The cassava immediately transfers to receiving bins, where the transformation begins. Conveyor systems transport the roots inside, ensuring continuous flow to meet production demands. Quality control starts immediately. Inspectors check every batch for freshness and damage. Each batch is weighed with precision for tracking efficiency and consistent output. Only the highest quality cassava passes this checkpoint. Standards are strict here. Damaged roots go to animal feed processing. Nothing is wasted in this facility. First major step is washing. Cassava arrives covered in dirt and field debris.
Inside these drums, hundreds of roots tumble as powerful water jets spray from every angle. High-pressure water blasts away stubborn dirt, ensuring the roots are completely clean. Dirty water is filtered and treated before disposal, following strict environmental regulations.
A second cycle with rotating brushes provides deeper cleaning, reaching every surface. Final rinse with fresh water removes any remaining particles, leaving cassava spotless. The washed roots emerge perfectly clean, ready for the next critical stage. Industrial blowers remove excess water, preparing the cassava for peeling. Now comes peeling. The brown outer skin must be completely removed. Automated machines use rotating rollers that strip away the skin in seconds.
Watch the transformation. Brown exterior becomes pure white cassava, perfect for flour.
The peeled cassava is remarkably clean and uniform, essential for quality flour. Removed peels aren't wasted. They're collected for compost or animal feed.
Some areas need manual touch-up. Skilled workers trim any spots the machines missed.
The result? Perfectly peeled, pristine white cassava ready for cutting. The peeled cassava enters the cutting department, where precision is everything.
Industrial blades slice cassava at incredible speed, producing thousands of chips per minute. Each chip is cut to exact thickness, between 3 and 4 millimeters for even drying.
Look at that consistency. Every piece is identical, crucial for quality.
These machines process up to 5 tons per hour, working continuously all day. Operators monitor and adjust settings using computerized controls for perfect precision.
Random samples are measured with calipers to verify thickness. Quality control is constant.
The freshly cut chips move to the next stage for an important chemical process.
The chips are now submerged in large stainless steel tanks with clean water. This soaking removes naturally occurring compounds that can make cassava bitter.
Multiple tanks operate simultaneously, each holding several tons in controlled conditions.
Water circulation maintains consistent temperature and ensures even processing throughout.
The cassava soaks for 12 to 24 hours, improving digestibility and quality.
Once complete, water drains away and cassava is ready for the drying stage.
The cassava chips enter massive tunnel dryers where they'll spend several hours.
Inside, temperatures reach 75 to 85 degrees Celsius, with continuous hot air circulation.
Watch the moisture evaporate as steam. This transforms wet chips into shelf-stable product.
As chips move through zones, they gradually change from white to light golden color.
The dryer has multiple zones, each with precisely controlled temperature and airflow.
Advanced sensors monitor moisture levels, ensuring cassava reaches exactly 12%.
The final zone completes the process. Chips are now completely dry and crispy. Quality checkers test the dried cassava by breaking pieces to verify texture. Chips cool on ambient conveyors, reaching room temperature before milling.
This snap test confirms readiness. Cassava is now shelf-stable for months.
Now for the transformation, turning dried chips into fine flour. Inside, high-speed hammers smash dried chips into progressively smaller particles.
And here it comes desperately. Pure white cassava flour pouring out like a waterfall.
Look at that texture. Incredibly fine and smooth, similar to wheat flour.
Collection hoppers gather the fresh flour, keeping it protected from contamination. Pneumatic systems transport flour through sealed pipes, maintaining perfect hygiene.
Not all flour particles are equal. Sifting separates them by size for quality.
Vibrating screens shake flour at high frequency through multiple mesh layers. Each layer has different mesh size, creating several grades from ultra-fine to coarse. Premium grade flour, the finest particles, collects at the bottom. This is top quality.
Every batch undergoes rigorous lab testing. Technicians examine samples under microscopes. At 400x magnification, they verify particle uniformity and check for impurities.
pH levels are tested to ensure flour meets food safety standards and certifications.
Moisture content verified digitally. 11% is perfect for shelf stability.
Once every test passes, the batch receives approval and is ready for packaging.
The packaging department operates like clockwork, preparing thousands of bags daily.
Automated fillers pour exactly 25 kilograms of flour into each bag with precision. Digital scales verify weight to the nearest gram for accuracy and compliance.
Robotic heat sealers close each bag securely, ensuring flour stays fresh.
Filled bags move in perfect rhythm, one every few seconds, hour after hour. Each bag receives unique batch numbers and dates, allowing complete traceability.
Metal detectors scan every single bag to ensure no foreign objects. Safety first.
Workers carefully stack bags onto pallets in patterns that maximize stability. Modern facilities use robotic palletizers that stack at incredible speed with precision.
Forklifts transport finished pallets to climate-controlled warehouse, awaiting shipment.
This warehouse stores over 500 tons of flour, representing weeks of production.
Temperature and humidity are carefully controlled to maintain flour quality throughout.
At the loading dock, trucks arrive to transport cassava flour worldwide.
Experienced operators load pallets efficiently, maximizing space while ensuring safe transport.
Each truck carries 20 tons of packaged flour, secured with straps preventing shifting. Sealed and locked, these trucks will deliver to bakeries and manufacturers nationwide. From this facility, trucks depart daily, carrying premium flour to every corner of America.
The numbers are staggering. 50 tons daily, 350 tons weekly, exported to 30 countries.
Behind the technology are dedicated workers who make it all possible. American manufacturing excellence. From raw cassava to refined flour, you've witnessed the complete journey. Thanks for watching Inside the Factory.